In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CRM in Smartsheet. Beginner Guide 2026. We'll start at the Smartsheet homepage and end with a ready-to-use CRM that you can tailor to your process, all without writing any code. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. Click Sign In, choose your usual login method, and enter your credentials. Keep this part quick. If you use single sign-on or two-factor authentication, just follow the prompts. Once you're in, Smartsheet will take you straight to your home screen. From home, look for the Start a New Project button. This is the fastest way to spin up a workspace for your CRM. Click it to open your creation options. Because we're building efficiently, we'll start from a template instead of building every column by hand. In the Creation window, open the Templates section, then choose View All Templates to see the full gallery. In the search bar, type CRM. You'll see several options such as customer trackers or pipeline managers. The good news is that any CRM template is a solid starting point. You can rename it and refine the fields to match your business. Pick the one that looks closest to your needs, so you spend less time editing later. Click the template to open its preview, then choose Use Template. Smartsheet may take a moment to process and create your files. When you're prompted to name it, enter a clear title like CRM so it's easy to find later. You can also choose where to save it in your workspace for quick access. When the CRM opens, take a minute to scan the columns and sample rows. If you see anything unusual or irrelevant to your workflow, you can rename, remove, or reorder columns. For example, rename a column to contact name, company, email, or stage to match your terms. If a column isn't useful, right-click it and delete. For drop-down fields like stage or status, edit the list to reflect your real pipeline, such as new, qualified, proposal, negotiation, and closed. Check that date fields are set to the date type, and that any contact fields use the contact type to make assignments easier. If you prefer a different layout, switch to card or Gantt view for a quick perspective change, then return to grid view to continue editing. When it looks right, click Save. That's it. You've built a functional CRM in Smartsheet, starting from a template and customizing it to fit your process.